Hey everyone, it's Mark here, and I'm switching up what I do with my channels now. I'm going to start doing some reviews of different types of indicators, free and paid. I've already bought a few that I'm testing, and I felt that instead of just showing you what I do with trading and different strategies and things like that, I thought maybe this might be helpful. If it's any good, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe and like button. If it's crap, give me a dislike. It's fine. I just need to know what you think. Give me a comment on what you think I should do or not do. And I'm going to start reviewing different things. Tell you what they cost, what they have in their packages, whether I think they're any good, whether I think they're okay, or they're total rubbish. So I figured where else to start, but I'll start with Jamie Palmer's Binary Destroyer system, as I've been a member of that for a very long time, and I have traded it, and I have made money with it, and it's the thing that I know most about so far in trading because I've been involved with it. I was an admin there for a while, but the workload was too much for me, and my work-life balance and trading was getting involved. I was getting involved, so I left that. So we'll start off with the indicator. This is the 7.0. This is the most recent updated version of it. We can go into indicator list and go into the binary destroyer, and I can show you all the different strategies. This bit here is all the different types of strategies that the binary destroyer has. So as we have the Mogwai strategy, normal binary destroyer, we have the AND strategy, the bend strategy, pullback, and so on, right? So you can swap to any different strategies you like. If you want to do bends, then the thing will change, as you can see here. So there's certain rules and the way that you would trade this strategy, and as you can see, it's a lot different than the other one. So if we go back in here, take that out, and maybe you just want to do normal BD strategy. So you would click that, and now all of a sudden now you've got the arrows there, and all the information is in the members area on how to trade things. So what we'll do is I'll just pause it for a second, and I'll open up the members area, and we'll have a quick look through there. Okay, so this is the FX Learning / Binary Destroyer members area, or the website. So if you were wanting to become a member, you would come in here first, and you can have a look through the welcome area. We'll go to the free training bit. As you see here, opening page is a welcoming page showing you all the different things that Jamie has got to offer with his system, showing the general plan of why he has the indicator and what his skills are, and how he can help you learn to trade as is his goal. And you can have a run through that if you like, have a look. I've only got a certain amount of time with this recorder, so we'll skip through to, I'll go through to the members area itself. Once you be a paid up member, you can go through and you get your own account, and shoot on through to so now we're in, and this is the members area. You can have a look through here. Every week Jamie has online training webinars, so you would access it here, as you can see here, access to the webinar. It teaches you both Forex and binary, so you can click on there if you want to become a Forex trader or a binary trader. Lots of good stuff in here. Tells you about the people who the admins and the things. Like here's a bio for Jamie. Okay. Yeah, anyway. So, but basically Jamie does this. He started this, I think, 3 or 4 years ago. I think it might have been 4 years ago, as him just wanting to help other people learn to trade at the same time he was learning himself. Because I remember when Jamie started, if you watch some of his videos back then, his trading style and his professionalism has just tripled or even quadrupled in professionalism since he first began. He's basically he's more in this for the teaching of other people than making money, where most other people I think are wanting to make money. He's partnered up with he's partnered up with a few different software people and trading brokers, and so they're on board helping out with the financial side of things, so Jamie can keep the costs down low. He's always there to lend a hand, and you'll find that the people inside the group, the senior people in the group, are always there to answer any questions. So we might just skip across to the Facebook group. So I'll just pause again for a minute and I'll just give you a look at what he has inside his Facebook group. So just give me a second. Okay, Jamie has two Facebook groups. One's just called the Binary Destroyer, and that's for unpaid members who just want to have a bit of a look and see what's going on and maybe get a bit of a taste of what it would be like to have the Binary Destroyer. And then he has a paid group members. So once you've bought the thing, you're invited into the Binary Destroyer VIP club, and people post their trades in here, ask questions. You'll see Jamie will give answers and helps out. There's a lot of things like that. We have a bit of fun in this group. You see, this is Jamie showing a setup of what was going on. We get people like Kerry here who struggle a bit, but they're trying their best, and they're getting there a little bit of the time. And you see the people here give their views on what's going on and how they can help, whatever. Jamie then again showing a setup. So yeah, so that's the VIP group. I think we'll pop back to the indicator. None of these arrows repaint, as I said. It's a pretty straightforward, simple way to trade. If you know a little bit about trading already, then this might be something that's worth helping you out. It costs £100 to join up, and for that Jamie gives you free everything, education videos, training sessions, webinars. I'm not really sure if he's done any one-on-one training with anybody at this point, but all updates are free. So my overall view is probably going to be a little bit biased with this because I have been involved with it for a long time, but I give this, a thumbs up, 100%. You're going to get a good value for money, whether it doesn't really matter what level of education you have with training. You can be complete newbie, and with a little bit of patience and a bit of education and a bit of help, you probably be able to successfully trade. If you've got a little bit more knowledge, sort of intermediate level, then you'll certainly excel with this. And the people who are experienced traders, well, this will just be one of the tools in their arsenal to drain the market of money. Unfortunately, now the binary side of things have gone very quiet. Binary is almost non-existent, so unfortunately calling it the Binary Destroyer now might be a bit of a furphy, but he has his trading name or his business name is Forex Learning or FX Learning, so the Binary Destroyer is just part of his business. Jamie's based in England. Pretty sure that he's got all the right licenses and whatever else he needs to have this. He's not a financial advisor, so he pretty much states that I'm sure that he's never actually said that his advice should be taken literally, as in, if he says invest in something, you go invest it. He's not like that. He doesn't do that sort of things. There is no signal service in here. This is more of a teaching or a educational group. The signals or copy trade or any of that stuff, I feel Jamie doesn't believe in. So if you're looking to do that, this is probably not the right group for you. This is more about you getting your independence as a trader, learning how to trade properly, and being able to do this to sustain some kind of income for yourself. That's about all I've got to say. I hope that what I've said has given you a rough idea of what the Binary Destroyer is about. It's a pretty good bunch of people who all got one goal, as is to try and make enough money that they don't have to keep doing a day job, which I think that we all want to try and do. And yeah, I give this a highly recommended if you want to spend £100. I don't know what your financial situation is, but if you can find £100 and you really want to get into trading, this would be a good place to start. So thanks very much. I hope I've given you an insight into what the Binary Destroyer is about, and I'll catch you on my next video.